Hey guys, thanks for joining me for part 3 of this build series, my first wreck creation for the channel. Now what I mean, if you're not familiar with wreck creation, what I mean by that, well, I took a wreck, which in this case it was a drone, and I created something out of it, which in this case is a rescue vehicle for a boat. So we're here today at the beautiful Bluffers Park at the Scarborough Bluffs in Toronto, Canada, and it's not too hot here, a little bit cloudy, but it's not calling for rain, a slight breeze, which kind of makes it just perfect conditions for testing out this boat today. So what are we waiting around for? Let's go check it out. So I get out of the car and I'm being harassed by everything that's alive around me. Like these flock of pigeons just decided to storm the vehicle. I don't know why. I had a wasp flying around this beautiful, lovely machine. I guess it might be the color of the pontoons today that could be attracting it. But anyways, I can't wait to get this thing in the water. God, she looks beautiful, doesn't she? So, I did a little bit of measuring just recently, and end to end, so basically here to here, you're looking at about 130 centimeters, or 1.3 meters. The height to the very top of this from down here is about 50 centimeters, 52 centimeters, give or take. And then the distance between here and here is about another 52 centimeters. So it's almost square that way. And then once you unfold these guys, then you're looking at more like, I don't know, I'd say another 20 centimeters at least. 70 to 80 centimeters maybe. Blah blah blah, let's get it in the water. Okay, here we are, guys. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking because this thing is loud as F. But so far, it's working amazingly. Let's give her a rip. I'm going to back it up. Let's go forward. Half throttle. Half throttle, guys. Turns on a dime. So we're running her on 3S today. The system can handle 4S. We're also running on 8-inch props, and I can put a 10-inch prop on this. Kick it up a notch. And like I said in part 2, with that reverse motor on, I can spin this thing around on a dime. This thing is beauty. Watch this. That's awesome. Guys, thank you so much. If you followed this series along, don't forget to give us a like. And of course, if you didn't check out part 1 and 2 of me building this thing yet, go check out those videos. I'll leave a link in the description below. Go check out Tibber Vaughn's channel. I'll be sending this thing in through the mail to Tibber very soon as I get those propeller guards on. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I sure did. It was a lot of fun, guys. Oh man. And we'll catch you in the next one. Keep on RCing, keep on keeping on. Ciao for now.